There I have a chicken things, I have onions, I have paprika, I have salt, I have just chicken season, and I will add the garlic as well. And now I just mix everything like together and press quite hard so all the season goes in the chicken and leave for some time. Tātad atkal olīveļa, vienkārši pārliekam pāri tā. Tomēr kaut kā, nezinu kāpēc, bet tā ir labāk, ja izmanto eļļu. Un turpinam maisīt. There is my chicken, what we put in onions and paprika and I forgot salt, black pepper. It's just like that. Oh, there I will spray just tiny bit oil because from the chicken there will be lots fat. And that's why I just tiny bit spray in. Ooh. Nothing important, just normal, usual chicken. And we are working. Basically, I'll try to put those onions on the bottom. Onions on the bottom, chicken on the top. Probably will put some onions on the top as well. Because I think I cut quite a lot. Onions. That's why there will be on top. So those small pieces I like almost like stick together. Put like one piece together because you see there is big piece and that was the small piece. That's why somehow we should put on it. It's good when you are creative. Not much for the top. And we will put a foil on the top if I have the foil, because I think we didn't buy it. Oh yeah, some. Maybe it will be enough. And I have another 60 meters. But anyway, I need to buy. It's not important to put under, just I have a longer one, and that's why I'm putting on it. So people put in an oven, they like put in 180 degrees. I don't know why. I try to do like this, but it's something doesn't work with me. I like putting a 200. That's why my oven is on a 200 degrees Celsius. And I will put in. And it will take some 30-40 minutes. When we are waiting, I can tell tiny bit more about me and how I many times told I have MS, like iztaisītā skleroze, multiple sclerosis. And it's, of course, now it's COVID, I lost my job. I can't get back to the job, to work, and because my illness didn't allow me, I feel really good drunk, but I don't drink anything, don't worry, and I'm really fast get tired, and that's it is how it is. That's why I'm doing those meals and I just enjoy myself. It's all what I can do. I am coming back and put some rocks because I will put this pan on it. One more goal, how I understand. So this is how it looks like, and I will put in the oven because we want nice color on the top. Now needs to put on a dish. This is my dinner.